What's up, tubers? Look at this part of my garage. I mean, I got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28 4-foot fluorescent bulbs in my garage. More than most of y'all do. But it's still dark over here. And when I open up the door to my car, I'm hitting the wall. I think that's the FJ up there. That's the Porsche down there. So I've got one fix that's going to take care of both of those problems. Hang on tight, here we go. Nice. I like that. Is it the most secure? No. Is it fragile? Yes. Do I care? No. First time. All right, man, what do you think? Looks pretty cool. Took me about 30 minutes, I guess. This is going to help me to detail. And then what I'm also thinking is, I'm going to put the camera over here and do some videos for YouTube, pointing that way, so that gives me extra light. Let's turn that around and see how that looks. Hello, YouTube. What do you think? What do you think? So we can broadcast from here. I can do my content and my YouTube shit. Oh, all right, check this out. I got a little swivel here for my GoPro. It mounts on the mount here. That's pretty cool too. I'm not going to do a video on that. It's just a YouTube swivel thing. But hey, I can detail. I can see. Ooh, look at these scratches. Shit. All right, so we're going to buff some stuff out. Anyways, let me know what you think. I saw this, I got this idea from Sarah. Sarah Entuned. Sarah, letter N, Tuned. She's got a YouTube channel and she's got these around her garage. Cute looking brunette that does all her work on her own cars. I'll put a link in the description up above if you want to follow her. But what I'm going to do now is, I think I'm going to patch that hole, put some putty in there, and I'm going to clean out this side of the garage. I might do both sides. Oh man, shit. It hits the door and the wall at the same time. This is supposed to be about a ½ inch or an inch lower. Damn it. But that's okay, because this is pretty fragile. One whack with the door, I can fix the wall, and that's going to trash the light fixture. So it is what it is. So that's going to be a good light for detailing and for working around the car and shooting videos. That's going to look really good. All right, man. We be done. Very nice. All right, man. That's it. Hit subscribe. Wait. Hit subscribe. Hit thumbs up. See ya. Wouldn't want to be ya.